Well, just because you're stuck at home, lockdown, quarantine, whatever is going on, doesn't mean you have to, nor should you, give up your skincare routine. After all, sooner or later, that mask has to come off. So if you can't go out to get your skincare products and Amazon has deemed them non-essential and won't deliver them, or they're just not in your budget anymore, I got you, boo. Well, hey everybody, welcome back to Skincare with Chris Gibson. If you're new, I'm Chris. I'm your skincare expert and I'm here to help you get your best skin ever. And on this channel, we talk about skincare products, skincare routines, skincare problems, which we solve those. And so if that is your thing, then please hit the subscription button and the little notification bell so that you get notified when my new videos are up each week. Now, there's not one skincare routine step that you cannot make a skincare product for at home. Face wash, scrub, toner, moisturizer, yes, even eye creams can all be made from the comfort of your own home, sometimes with things that you actually already have on hand. The ones I'm going to give you in this video today are so easy and simple to do, it will blow your mind, and they work without chemicals. Now, the first important step in any good skincare routine is obviously cleansing, unless you wear makeup. In that case, you need to remove it. But it just so happens I also have a video on how to make your own makeup remover at home. I will put a link to that in the video description box for you and put the video up for that at the end of this video. So face wash. Well, this easy and gentle face wash that I'm going to give you the recipe for is so easy to make, but it will clean your skin without stripping it of moisture and the natural oil that it needs to have. And again, chemical free. Now, to make this gentle foaming face wash, you do need a few things. You're going to need 3/4 a cup of chamomile tea. What you want to do is brew that tea and allow it to cool off. Then you need 1/4 a cup of castile soap, which is extremely easy to find. And again, links to all of these ingredients that I'll be talking about in this video will be down below, so don't worry, just listen to the recipe and follow along. You'll also need to add to this mixture 1/2 teaspoon of sweet almond oil, which is really easy to find. Also, you'll need 5 to 6 drops of vitamin E oil. If you have that available, you don't actually have to have that. You can just stick with the olive oil. You can also add up to 8 drops of your favorite essential oil. If you have acne prone skin, I suggest tea tree oil because it's easy to find and it will really help with blemishes. You just simply put all of those ingredients except for the tea in a 6-ounce foaming bottle. It should be easy to find. If you have one around the house like we do, you just empty that out, rinse it out, and you can use it just fine. Now, if you don't have the tea, you can use distilled water in its place. You just put the cap on, shake it up before use, and you have a really great, gentle, foaming face wash. No chemicals, and it's going to work just fine for you. Next, all of you that follow me know already how important I say exfoliation steps are in skincare routines. They are the keystone of a good skincare routine. So of course, I didn't leave that out. This do-it-yourself face scrub is so easy to make and it is so good you may never go back to commercial face scrubs again. It will help remove blackheads, slough off dead skin cells, and give you much brighter and radiant skin. All you need for this is 1/2 cup of baking soda. Yes, baking soda. And then you need 8 drops of olive oil, more or less depending. You want to make this into kind of a creamy paste. You can also add a couple of drops of your favorite essential oil if you'd like lavender or frankincense. You're going to take a tablespoon of this mixture, apply it to your face, and massage gently for 2 minutes and rinse off. Wow, exfoliation step accomplished. Okay, so what about toners? Well, most of you know I am not a fan of toners or commercial toners because oftentimes they have fragrance, which can be very irritating, or they have alcohol in the formulation, which can be very drying. So I'm not a big toner guy. However, this do-it-yourself toner is so easy to make. All it is 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar to 2/3 cups distilled water. You can add a couple of drops of your favorite essential oil so that it has some sort of fragrance to it. Again, tea tree oil is really good if you have blemishes. This toner will help balance the pH of your skin, speed wound healing, and reduce blemishes. It is a really great toner. Now, you can dab it on like you would any normal toner with a cotton pad, or you can put it in a 2-ounce spray bottle and use it as an essence mist, which is what I would prefer to do. All right, for moisturizers, this one is really, really easy. Most of you know that you can use olive oil, grapeseed oil, argan oil, a lot of different oils for skin moisturizers. I prefer argan oil because it has more skin benefits than the other two. This oil is going to be able to help your skin retain moisture. It speeds wound healing. It also helps dissolve sebum that gets down in the pores and creates breakouts. So it's going to reduce acne. It's just a great oil for your skin, and a 2-ounce bottle is gonna last you well over a month. Now, if you're enjoying this video so far, do me a big favor and give it a thumbs up. Okay, no skincare routine, at least not one that I would give you, is gonna be complete without an eye cream. And this do-it-yourself eye cream is so rich and good. It's just as good as any commercial eye cream, and it costs a whole lot less. It's able to tighten the skin, improve dark circles and eye puffiness. It even will repair the skin and help protect from sun damage. Yeah, it sounds like a really expensive eye cream, right? Well, this eye cream is a bit more complex, and it has quite a few more ingredients than the other things that we've talked about. So I'm gonna give you the link in the video description box below that you can go online directly to the recipe. The recipe is there step by step. It also has links to all the ingredients in case you don't know how to find them, so that you can make the eye cream on your own. Now, I hope these do-it-yourself skincare replacements really help give you some options, especially during the time that we're in. You can truly trust they will work very well for you in replacing your commercial products. Now, I will be doing a whole series on these, on how to make each one of these, and everything from shaving cream all the way to lip balm. I know, right? Lip balm. So be sure you're subscribed so you don't miss these new videos when they come out. Also, tell me in the comments below what your top skincare concerns are, because if I haven't made a video on them already, I probably will. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna put some great videos that you can watch right over here. Stay well, stay beautiful, and I'll see you over on the next one.